Let's speed up your morning routine by batch cooking breakfast on the go. The first breakfast recipe in my breakfast series on the go is my breakfast egg sandwich. This one is perfect. It has roasted peppers and mozzarella. It's great for a grab and go type of breakfast. So first you're going to take 4 large eggs and 8 egg whites. And you're also going to place 2 tablespoons of 2% milk and 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Then you're going to go ahead and place in your roasted bell pepper. I used a combination of green and red bell pepper. And what we're going to do is we're going to place the egg mixture in our baking dish. That's going to create that wonderful flat square. You want to go ahead and use whole wheat English muffins and choose a mozzarella cheese slice that is thin. These sandwiches are delicious. You're going to want to go ahead and either freeze them or place them in the refrigerator depending on your needs. They can be frozen up until a month and they can still be a wonderful breakfast. And when you freeze them, you're going to take them out the night before, and then you're going to want to heat up your oven or your toaster to 350 for 5 minutes. Place your breakfast sandwich in there, and it'll be ready to go so you can grab it before you head out the door. Thank you for visiting Hellmann's Healthy Hacienda. Check out the links for other recipes and tips. Make sure to click subscribe and the bell below so you get a notification when I drop a new video. Be happier and healthier.